Low salt, low sugar benefits. If you are over 60 and still serving salty, sugary side dishes, your dinner plate might be quietly pushing up your blood pressure and blood sugar every single night. Many seniors clean up the main meal but forget that the potatoes, coleslaw, and sauces on the side can undo hours of healthy effort in just 10 minutes. What you will learn by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to replace common high salt, high sugar sides with 5 simple options you can make in under 15 minutes. You will see specific ingredient amounts, so you are not guessing how much salt or sugar is really on your plate. Problem: salty sugary sides. Think about last week. How many times did you have white bread, instant mashed potatoes, or sweet coleslaw sitting next to your meal without even thinking about it? Those few spoonfuls can easily add hundreds of extra milligrams of sodium and several teaspoons of sugar before you even get to dessert. Hidden sugar and salt in sides. Many packaged sides that look harmless, like canned beans in sauce or pre-made pasta salad, often hide more salt and sugar than the main course. A small half-cup scoop from a deli container can carry as much sodium as an entire homemade meal, plus several teaspoons of added sugar. When this happens at lunch and dinner, day after day, your body rarely gets a break. Side 1: herbed quinoa swap. Here is where it gets really important, so do not skip this. Instead of instant mashed potatoes loaded with salt and butter, many people over 60 are switching to herbed quinoa cooked in low-sodium broth. A simple half-cup serving with fresh garlic, lemon, and parsley can give you fiber and protein with far less sodium than boxed mixes, and no added sugar. Side 2: roasted veggies and side 3: cucumber salad. Wait, this next part might make your blood sugar readings after meals look very different. Swapping sugary baked beans or sweet corn for a tray of roasted vegetables like carrots, zucchini, and bell peppers with olive oil and herbs can give you natural sweetness without spoonfuls of added sugar. Engagement question: midpoint quiz. Quick question for you. Which side dish shows up on your plate most often? Bread, potatoes, rice, or salad? And do you usually add extra salt or a sweet dressing without thinking? Type your usual side in the comments, because seeing it in writing can be a wake-up call and may help you commit to one simple change this week. Side 4: Greek yogurt slaw. Most people skip this and regret it later, because it is one of the easiest flavor savers. If you love creamy coleslaw but worry about the sugar and heavy dressing, consider making a version with plain Greek yogurt, a little apple cider vinegar, a squeeze of lemon, and a small pinch of salt instead of a full cup of mayonnaise and sugar. Side 5: berry nut bowl. Here is the side that makes all the difference for many with a sweet tooth. Instead of a white dinner roll spread with salty butter or a sugary fruit cup, a small bowl of mixed berries with a spoonful of unsalted nuts or seeds can satisfy that craving with natural sweetness and healthy fats. Real-life examples and proof: many people in their 60s and 70s who start replacing just 2 salty or sugary sides a day often notice changes within a few weeks, like less bloating and more stable energy after meals. Some report that when they switch from packaged sides to roasted vegetables and yogurt-based salads, their taste for heavy salt and sugar starts to fade, making it easier to stay on track. Common mistakes with healthy sides: if you are not careful, you can turn a healthy side into a problem without realizing it. Pouring on bottled dressings, adding extra cheese, or using flavored yogurts with added sugar can quickly push your salt and sugar right back up, even when the base food is healthy.